Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem, largest number. This is one of the very common coding question in many interviews. You will be given an integer array, all are positive integers, there are no negative numbers. You need to arrange all the numbers in such a way that they form the largest number. Sometimes the result will be very large, beyond integer limits, so return the result in the string format instead of integer. Here is an example input array. There are two possibilities here, 10, 2, 1 or 2, I mean 102. The next number is 2, 10, 210. Out of 102 and 210, 210 is the largest number. That is the result. Here is the next example input array. There are various combinations are possible in this case, but this is the largest possible number we can form out of this array. Let's discuss the logic now. This is not a simple number based sorting kind of solution. How better you sort based on numbers, you cannot get the desired result. Let's take an example. 10, 5. Let's say this is an input array. If you sort it in ascending order, I mean 5, 10, you are going to get the maximum number as 510. Now we'll take another example. Let's take 8, 90 as another input array, which is already in ascending order. With this ascending order, we can get 890 as a number, but there is another possibility. We can get 908 as another number if you sort it in descending order. So it is proved that number based sorting is not going to help us here. Then what is the solution? This problem can be solved by using string comparison based sorting. Let's understand better. First, I'll clean it up. We are going to take the same LeetCode example input, and here is the expected largest possible number. We will be using two for loops. The outer loop will be used to iterate over the array. We will use I to represent outer loop index, and it will be at index 0 in the beginning. The inner loop will be used to form possible combinations and comparisons. We will use J to represent inner loop index. It will be at index 1 in the beginning. In these iterations, the possible combinations are Ij and Ji. Ij will form 330. Ji will form 303. Since 330 is bigger than 303, it is in proper order. No swapping is required. In the next iteration, J will be here. Ij will form 334 and Ji will form 343. Since 340 is bigger than 334, we will swap I and J. So 34 will be here and 3 is here. In the next iteration, J will be here. Ij will form 345. Ji is going to form 534. Since 534 is bigger than 345, we will swap both I and J. 34 will be here, 5 will be here. In the next iteration, J will be here. Ij will form 59, Ji will form 95. Since 95 is bigger than 59, we will swap Ij again. 5 will be here, 9 will be here. We are done with one of the inner loop iteration. Before going to next iteration, I mean outer loop iteration, I will rearrange the array. Since we have already fixed index 0 position, I will be moved to next index. I will be here. J will be always I plus 1. So J will be here. Now in this iteration, Ij will form 303. Ji will form 330. Since 330 is bigger than 303, we will swap both I and J. 3 will be here, 30 will be here. Now in the next iteration, J will move here. Now ij will form 334 and ji will form 343. Since 340 is bigger than 334, again we will swap both I and j values. 34 will be here, 3 will be here. In the next iteration, j will move here. Now ij will form 345, ji will form 534. Since 534 is bigger than 345, we will swap it again. 5 will be here, 34 will be here. Again we are done with one of the inner loop iteration. I will rearrange the array once again. In the next outer loop iteration, I will be here, j will be here. In this iteration, ij will form 303, ji will form 330. Since 330 is bigger than 303, we will swap both I and j values. So 3 will be here, 30 will be here. In the next iteration, j will move here. In this iteration, ij will form 334, ji will form 343. Since 340 is bigger than 334, we will swap it again. So with this, 34 will be here, 3 will be here. We are again done with inner loop iteration. We will rearrange the array. Now in the next outer loop iteration, I will be here, j will be here. So in this iteration, ij will form 303, ji will form 330. Since 330 is bigger than 303, let's swap. So here we will have 3, here we will have 30. We are done with all iterations. If we append the array numbers in the string format from left to right, we will get the expected result. It is exactly matching with this number 953430. So this is the solution. Hope you understood. Let's write code now. I have explained the sorting logic step by step to make you understand better. I am going to use library sorting function with comparator while writing code. I have already written method signature for largest number, which takes int array as input and returns string. Let's do basic validations. Return empty string in case the input array is either null or empty. Let's convert the int array into string array so that later we can simply sort it. First create a string array which is same length as int array. Now iterate over the int array. Convert all integers into strings in each iteration and add them to string array. Now we will use library sort function from arrays by providing comparator implementation. We will provide comparator in lambda format. We need to cover one of the edge case here. What if all the input numbers are zeros in the input array? The final largest number also must be 0 in this case. Let's check. Since all input numbers are 0, it is good enough to check the first character, first index. If it is 0, then we can simply return 0. Now we will use string builder to append all strings. Return the result now. We are done with coding. Let's test our code. I have already written main method to save some time. We have two input arrays and we are calling largest number with these two input arrays. Let's run. Hope there are no runtime errors. Here is the result and it is as expected. So this is about how to solve largest number problem. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.